For families here in Georgia, it can be a real juggling act, right? Trying to find that sweet spot between having a fun night out and, actually sticking to your budget. So today, we're going to look at a super simple strategy that lets you get that quality family time without all the financial stress. Does this sound familiar? You really want to have that special family dinner out. It's such a nice break from cooking. But then you see the bills start to climb, and it just puts a dent in the weekly budget. It's a balancing act that, let's be honest, most of us are dealing with. Well, the good news is a fun meal out in the middle of the week doesn't have to break the bank. Not at all. With just a little bit of planning, you can turn it into a totally affordable treat. Let's get into how you can do it. That time you get around the dinner table, it's just so important for connecting as a family. But the trick is making sure those moments are also smart for your wallet. And that's really where these simple, strategic savings become a huge part of your bigger financial picture. Okay, so let's get right to the good stuff. We found a couple of fantastic local spots that could be the perfect answer to your midweek dinner dilemma. Because on Wednesdays, both of these places have a kids eat free deal going on. First up on the list is Paradise south of the border. So on Wednesdays, your kids can eat for free as long as you buy an adult entree. And what's really great about this place for families is the menu. It's got a huge variety. We're talking Mexican food and American classics. So if one person wants tacos but another kid is set on chicken tenders, everybody's happy. It's a win-win. All right, your second option is Hobnob Neighborhood Tavern. This is an awesome spot if you're in the mood for some classic comfort food. Their deal is also on Wednesdays, but you gotta pay attention to the details here. It's only between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. And the rule is one free kids meal per adult entree, and it's specifically for kids who are 12 and under. And that number, 12, that's the perfect example of why it always pays to check the fine print, right? A little detail like an age limit can be the difference between getting a great deal and having an unexpected surprise on your bill. It's all part of that smart planning we've been talking about. Now, listen, this is a really important pro tip. Restaurant deals, they can change. And sometimes they change without any warning. So to make sure there are no surprises, we always recommend giving the restaurant a quick call before you head out. Just confirm the deal is still on. It's a super simple step that just guarantees you'll have a great night. So let's kind of zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture here. This whole thing isn't just about saving a few bucks on dinner. It's really about getting into a mindset where all these small, smart choices add up and become the foundation for a really strong financial future. Yeah, it might feel like a pretty small win, in the moment, but think about it like this. Saving just 20 bucks a week by making one smart choice like this, that adds up to over $1,000 in a year. That's the real power of being consistent. It's exactly how you build those positive financial habits that are going to stick with you. So the big takeaway here is that your weekly choices really, really matter. These little intentional decisions you make, that is the foundation of a secure financial future. And honestly, this idea is right at the heart of everything we believe in here at Georgia Safe Retirement Planners. So if you're ready to start turning these small, smart choices into a real long-term plan, we are absolutely here to help. Our whole goal is to build a lasting relationship with you and support you through every single stage of your life. We'd love for you to schedule a free consultation. You can do that by visiting us online at georgiasaferretirementplanners.com or just give us a call at 470-888-7233. And hey, if you happen to be near downtown Roswell, please feel free to stop by our office at 1124 Canton Street. Thanks so much for watching, and just remember, a secure future really does start with the smart choices you're making today.